In today's video, I will walk you through how to enter corporation tax in Xero. Once your corporation tax accounts are ready, go to the top right corner of your Xero dashboard and click the plus icon. This opens a menu with different options for creating financial records. From the list that appears, select Manual Journal. This opens the journal entry screen where you'll record your corporation tax. The first thing you'll enter is the journal information. Add a narration that clearly identifies the entry. For example, you can enter corporation tax for current year. Using a clear narration makes it easier to recognize the journal later when reviewing your records. Next, enter the appropriate journal date. Make sure the date matches the financial period for the corporation tax entry you're recording. After completing the journal information, move down to the journal lines. On the first line, select the corporation tax account from the account drop-down list. Once you've selected the correct account, enter the corporation tax amount in the debit column. Double-check that you've chosen the correct account and entered the correct amount before moving on. Now you'll create the balancing entry. Add a second journal line, then select the Provision for Corporation Tax account from the account list. On this second line, enter exactly the same amount in the credit column. Using the same amount on both lines keeps the journal balanced and records the corporation tax correctly. Take a moment to review both journal lines. Confirm that the narration, journal date, selected accounts, debit amount, and credit amount are all correct. Also make sure the debit and credit totals match before posting the journal. Once you've checked everything, click the Post button. This completes the journal entry and records the corporation tax in your accounts. After the journal has been posted, the entry is added to your financial records using the accounts and amounts you entered. If you need to review the transaction later, you can locate it using the narration you added when creating the journal. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.